Hey, how's it going? So as you can see here, I have one box of 2018 Bowman High Tek. Go ahead and rip into this right now. Still waiting for the baseball season to start, spring training. Thought I would try something a little different here while I wait for new stuff to come out. So there we go. Let's see what I get here. Not something I normally try. Don't get a whole bunch of high tech. Try like one pack, one box usually, but I haven't tried Bowman yet, so it's cool. Let's see what we're getting here. Just 10 cards per box. Let's see, 4 on-card autographs per box. Where's the odds there? Check them out. Alright, let's see what I get here. Wish me luck. Alright, so we got Victor Robles. Started off. Cards always look pretty neat. Kind of see-through type cards. Pretty cool. Eliot Ramos. Jesus Sanchez. Oh, look at that, right behind there's a different one. Looks like a different pattern there. 2 different patterns, that's kind of cool. Looks like I see an autograph behind that. Andres Jimenez auto. It's cool. Looks like I see a red back there too, which is kind of neat, somewhere back there. Definitely not an auto. Ooh, Gleyber Torres auto, that's cool. Nice hit there. Says the second auto. Corbin Burns auto, nice. And the last one, which is not the red, unfortunately. Colton Welker, and it's a purple to 150. That's cool. What is this red one here? Ooh, it's a Dodger. Sweet. Alex Verdugo. Nice. 4 of 10. Perfect for me. That is awesome. Nice hit there. Looks pretty cool in camera. Nice little flashing there. Bottom right hand corner, number 4 of 10. It's awesome. Thickness on this one seems a little more thick than the other ones too. That's cool. Nice pack. Rhys Hoskins rookie. Awesome. Nice pack for sure. I like it. Do a quick recap. The Verdugo to 10. That is cool. Stoked on that. Colton Welker auto to 150. Number 72, 150. Corbin Burns base auto. These are pretty cool. I like them overall. Gleyber Torres. Oh yeah, that was a great box. Great box. Andres Jimenez. So there we go. Thanks for watching this one box break of 2018 High Tek Baseball Bowman. Catch y'all later. Peace.